Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to add an image and text using Photoshop. First, click the text editor. Image. Then you can download an image or find any image you want to add in Photoshop. Open. I'm using this one for this purposes only. Can press Ctrl P, copy, then paste. You can see the image now. Then enter. Right click, create clipping mask. See, it's very simple. I hope you learn this basic Photoshop tutorial, how to place an image inside the text in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.